Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have ever wondered who is checking out your WhatsApp profile? Or perhaps you felt the need to keep your WhatsApp activity more private? If that sounds like you, today's video is all you need. Let's dive right in and talk about why you might want to your WhatsApp profile. Firstly, privacy is a major concern for many of us these days. Whether it's keeping away from prying eyes or just ensuring that your information is shared selectively, controlling who sees your profile is a big step towards maintaining your privacy. So, how do you go about locking your WhatsApp profile? Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct feature to lock your profile, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some workarounds that will help you achieve this. Step 1. Adjust your privacy settings. Open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now hit Account followed by Privacy. Here you'll find options like Last Seen, Profile Photo, About, and Status. Adjust each setting to My Contacts if you want only people you know to have access, or select Nobody if you don't want anyone to see your details. Step 2. Profile Picture Privacy. Let's dive deeper into your profile photo settings. Tap on Profile Photo under the Privacy menu. You can choose Nobody if you do not want anyone to see your profile picture. This is a great option if you're looking to lock down your profile completely. Step 3. Blocking unwanted contacts. If there are specific people you want to restrict, consider using the block feature. Go back to the main WhatsApp screen. Tap on the chat with the contact you want to block, click on their name at the top. Scroll down and select Block Contact. This will restrict them from viewing your profile, status, or any updates. Here's a story to illustrate. Imagine Sarah, who recently found out that her profile was being stalked by an unknown number. She followed these steps, adjusted her privacy settings, and managed to secure her profile completely. By doing so, she felt much safer and in control of her personal information. And remember, always keep your app updated. WhatsApp frequently updates its security features, and keeping your app up to date ensures you have the latest protections. That wraps up our guide on how to lock down your WhatsApp profile. I hope these tips bring you some peace of mind and enhance your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips like this.